Want more people to find your YouTube videos? You need YouTube SEO. It's the key to unlocking the full potential of your content. SEO helps your videos rank higher in search results, making them more visible to viewers. That means more views, more subscribers, and ultimately more success for your channel. Imagine the growth and engagement you could achieve. It's all about getting your videos seen by the right people, those who are genuinely interested in your content. Subscribe for more awesome YouTube tips. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest strategies. Think of it like this: you made a cool video. You put in the effort and now you want everyone to see it, right? You want everyone to see it, right? Sharing is great. But SEO amplifies your reach. But YouTube has millions of videos. The competition is fierce. How can people find yours? SEO is the answer. It bridges the gap between your content and your audience. It tells YouTube what your video is about using keywords and metadata. Then YouTube can show your video to people who are interested in that topic, increasing your chances of being discovered. It's like magic, but it's not. It's SEO. A powerful tool at your disposal, and it's easier than you think. With the right approach, anyone can master it. With a few simple steps, you can make your videos stand out from the crowd. Ready to learn how? Let's go. Dive into the world of YouTube SEO and watch your channel thrive. Keywords are the words people type into YouTube search. To get your videos found, you need to use the right keywords. Think about what people might search for to find your video. These are your keywords. There are tools to help you find the best keywords. TubeBuddy and VidIQ are great options. These tools show you what people are searching for on YouTube. They also tell you how competitive each keyword is. Choose keywords that are relevant to your video and have low competition. This means your video has a better chance of ranking higher. Remember, it's all about getting your video in front of the right audience. Now you have your keywords, time to use them effectively. Your video title, description, and tags are super important for SEO. They play a crucial role in how your video is discovered. Let's break it down step by step. Your title should be catchy and include your main keyword. This is the first thing viewers see. Keep it short and sweet, but also informative. The description is where you tell people more about your video. It's your chance to provide context and additional information. Use this space to share details and include your keywords naturally. Make it engaging and informative. Finally, don't forget tags. They are essential. Tags are like keywords for your video. They help categorize your content. They help YouTube understand what your video is about and who might be interested in it. Use a mix of broad and specific tags related to your video. This increases your chances of being found. By optimizing your title, description, and tags with keywords, you're telling YouTube what your video is all about. This is key for visibility. This helps your video rank higher and get more views. The better your SEO, the more likely your video will be seen by a larger audience. Section 4. Eye-catching thumbnails. You know that saying, don't judge a book by its cover. Well, on YouTube, people judge videos by their thumbnails. Your thumbnail is the first thing people see. It needs to be eye-catching and make them want to click. Use bright colors, bold text, and an intriguing image. Show people what your video is about. Make it clear, concise, and visually appealing. A great thumbnail can make all the difference. It can be the deciding factor between someone clicking on your video or scrolling past it. So put some effort into creating thumbnails that pop. Section 5. Keep them watching. Getting people to click on your video is just the first step. You also want them to watch as much of it as possible. This is called watch time, and it's super important for YouTube SEO. The longer people watch, the better your video will rank. How do you keep people hooked? Create engaging content. Start strong with an attention-grabbing intro. Keep your videos concise and to the point. Ask questions to encourage interaction. Remember, engaged viewers are happy viewers, and happy viewers lead to higher rankings and more success on YouTube. Section 6. Check your analytics. YouTube Analytics is your best friend. It tells you everything you need to know about how your videos are performing. You can see your watch time, audience retention, traffic sources, and more. Use this valuable information to see what's working and what's not. Are people clicking on your thumbnails? Are they watching your videos all the way through? The data doesn't lie. Based on your analytics, you can make adjustments to your videos and your strategy. This is how you continuously improve and grow your channel step by step. Section 7: YouTube SEO, your key to success. This section is crucial for anyone looking to grow their channel and reach a wider audience. There you have it. You've learned the basics of YouTube SEO. These fundamentals are the building blocks for your channel's success. Remember, it's all about creating high-quality content that people actually want to watch. Engaging and informative videos will keep your audience coming back for more. Then optimize your videos for search so the right people can find them. Use relevant keywords and tags to improve your visibility. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to boosting your YouTube rankings and achieving your channel goals. Consistency and persistence are key, so go out there, create amazing content, and watch your channel soar. The sky's the limit when you put in the effort and creativity. Need help with YouTube SEO? Contact SK Technology for professional assistance. Our experts are here to guide you every step of the way. We can help take your channel to the next level. With our support, you'll see significant improvements in no time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for more awesome YouTube tips and tricks. Stay tuned for more valuable insights.